In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook password so you can keep your account secure and in your control. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook's website. Log in using your current email or phone number and your existing password. It's important that you log in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or page. So take a moment to double-check you're in the right place. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of the screen for your profile picture or the small menu icon. Click on that to open a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to look for the option that takes you to Settings and Privacy. Then click on Settings. This is where Facebook keeps all your account controls. Inside Settings, find the section related to Security and Login. This is where you can manage your password, see where you're logged in, and review other security options. Go ahead and click on Security and Login to open that page. On this screen, look for the section labeled Login. Within that section, you should see an option called Change Password. Click on the Edit button or link next to it. Now you'll see 3 fields, 1 for your current password and 2 for your new password. Type your current password carefully in the first box. Then, in the next 2 boxes, enter the new password you want to use. Make sure your new password is strong. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything that's easy to guess, like your name or simple sequences. Retype the new password exactly the same way in the confirmation field so Facebook can verify it matches. Before you save, take a second to confirm you've entered everything correctly. A typo here could lock you out, so it's worth double-checking. When you're ready, click Save Changes. Facebook may ask if you want to stay logged in on your other devices or log out everywhere else. If you're changing your password for security reasons, it's usually a good idea to log out of all other sessions, so only you stay signed in on this device. Once that's done, your new password is active. The next time you log in on your phone, tablet, or any other browser, use this updated password. To make things easier and safer, consider using a password manager so you don't have to memorize complex passwords. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Facebook password and taken an important step toward protecting your account.